All right, video walkthrough of this really nice updated 3-bed, 2-bath in Brookline. All right, so it's a little view from the street entrance. We're in the living room right now. Closet here in the corner. Utility closet. Beautiful kitchen, granite counters, plenty of space. Stainless steel appliances, dishwasher, cabinets up top, sink, open range gas stove with a vent above it. First bathroom, full. Got a little bathtub, standing shower tub combo, little window right there, vanity, sink. First bedroom over here. Got some windows right there. Little closet in the corner. That does seem to be a queen size bed to reference. Into the hallway, into the second bath. Sink, little vanity, toilet, standing shower with a little window right there. Okay, go into this second bedroom right here. And we have a couple of windows right there. Hardwood floors throughout, as you can see. We have this this closet right there, good size. There are no doors on the closets. And the last bedroom, okay. Closet, window, okay. Another window. All right, yeah, so that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, reach out, angel@lmcrealtyboston.com.